Chapter 6. Building Website Using Front Page. Overview of Front Page. Front Page is the most popular editor program for creating web pages. It provides several options to edit different components of a web page. It also provides wizards using which a beginner can easily create a web page. The user has to specify his requirements and the HTML code gets generated automatically. Microsoft Front Page is an integral component of Microsoft Office. Getting started with Front Page. To start Front Page, click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Front Page, or click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Front Page. The following screen appears when you start Front Page. Creating a new website. If you want to create a complete website with more than one web page in it, then follow the steps given below. Step 1. In the New Page or Web task pane, click on the Empty Web option under New. Step 2. Choose the required website template. Step 3. Specify the location of the new web by clicking on the Browse button. Step 4. Click on the OK button. Views in Front Page Editor. Front Page Editor provides support to 3 different views of a web page. These are as follows: Normal View, HTML View, Preview. You can switch between these 3 views using the View tabs in the bottom left corner of the screen. Normal View. When you first launch the Front Page Editor, any web page documents you create or edit will be displayed in Normal View. It's also easy and convenient to edit a web page in this mode, much as you would with a word processor. HTML View. This view shows the actual HTML code of the web page created in the normal view. Preview. The preview enables you to see how the created web page will be displayed in the web browser window. It is a WYSI-WYG view. WYSI-WYG is an acronym for What You See is What You Get. That is, the way the web document is displayed in this view is how they're going to look in the web browser. The display includes images, alignment of block elements, tables, form objects like buttons, checkboxes, etc., and background colors and images. You cannot edit your web page in this view. Menu bar. The menu items across the top of the Front Page Editor window include all the commands accessible on the toolbar, as well as additional commands. The use of different menus is as given below. File menu. The File menu, similar to other application Programs gives options like New, Open, Save, Save As, Close, Print Preview, Print, Page Setup, Send, etc. To open a new web page, save web page or print it, etc. Edit menu. Edit menu provides editing option to make changes in the currently opened web page. It contains commands like undo, repeat, cut, copy, paste, delete, find and replace, etc. View menu. View menu helps us to switch between different views of a web page like page view, folder view, reports view, navigation, hyperlinks, tasks view, etc. Insert menu. Insert menu is used to add different components to a web page. We can insert a break, date and time, horizontal line, symbol, comments, marquee, pictures, video, etc. using this menu. Format menu. Using format menu commands, we can improve the look and feel of a web page by defining theme, bullets and numbering, borders and shading, or background color of the web page, etc. Tools menu. The Tools menu provides tools like automatic spelling checking, thesaurus, different types of page settings, etc. Table menu. The Table menu is used to draw or insert a table and format the rows, columns and text of the table in different ways. Frames menu. The Frames menu gives options to insert or delete frame or partition in a web page and set their properties. Window menu. The Window menu opens the specified web page in a new window. Help menu. Help menu provides help on different topics by invoking the Microsoft Front Page help file. Toolbars. You can access the menu commands in the Front Page editor through the toolbars also. Short descriptions of what a toolbar button does, called tool tips, appear near the toolbar buttons when you move your mouse cursor over them. When you open the Front Page editor for the first time, the Standard and Format toolbars are turned on. To view any other toolbar on the screen, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the View menu. Step 2. Point to Toolbars option. A sub-menu listing the toolbar names will appear. Step 3. Check 3. The required toolbar to put icon. You can move any toolbar to any other position in the toolbar area at the top of the Front Page screen, or move a toolbar off that area where it becomes a floating toolbar, sometimes called a palette. These floating toolbars can be positioned anywhere on the screen. How to position toolbars? Click on the toolbar and hold your mouse button down. Drag the toolbar to a different location at the top of the screen or off the top area of the screen if you want it to become a floating toolbar. The locations of the toolbars will be saved when you exit the Front Page editor, so they'll be in the same place when you open the editor again. Standard toolbar. The standard toolbar contains many basic commands, including file commands. Format toolbar. Use the formatting toolbar to change the appearance and hence HTML code. Picture toolbar. Active only when a picture is selected. Table toolbar. Editing the web page. To enter contents to a newly added web page or to edit a web page, double-click the web page icon. The web page will get opened in the front page editor. In front page editor, we work in normal view while designing, entering the contents or formatting the web page. To view how web page contents will look in the web browser, we see it in preview mode. Contents of a web page can be keyed in like in Microsoft Word. Automatically, these contents are converted in HTML format, which can be seen in HTML mode. Setting the page properties. In the front page editor, properties are assigned to the various elements within the page. For example, images within web pages have properties such as width, height and border width. To set the page properties, move your cursor over it and right-click. A shortcut menu will pop up, providing you with a number of options, including the standard cut, copy and paste. The last three options are for editing the properties of certain elements: page properties, paragraph properties and font properties. Page properties. General. The Page Properties dialog box enables you to customize the basic properties of your document, including the title, background sound, location where the file is saved, etc. Page Properties Background. By clicking on the Background tab in the Page Properties dialog box, you can change your web page's background, text and link colors. If you decide to use an image for your document's background, you can also set this property from the background dialog box. Page Properties Margins. The Margins tab in the Page Properties dialog box allows you to set both the top and left margins for your web document in pixels. Formatting web pages in Front Page Editor. Front Page Editor provides a number of ways to format the various types of components of web page like text, images, links, buttons, tables, frames, etc. Let us discuss the formatting techniques available for the basic component of text page, that is, text. Formatting text. To format text of web page, use the following steps. Step 1. Select the text to be formatted using mouse. Step 2. Click on the Format menu. Step 3. Select Font option. Step 4. Select the required color, font and style from the dialog box. Font dialog box. Font. Font allows you to select the font typeface of your choice. Font style. This allows you to give the text regular, italic, bold, bold italic effects. Size. This option allows you to set the size of your text. Color allows you to set the color of the text. Effects. It has lots of options to give effects to the text such as underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, small caps, all caps, etc. Preview. The preview screen at the bottom of font dialog box allows you to view the preview of selected option. Character spacing. Spacing. Spacing drop-down menu allows you to set the text expanded or condensed. By. By scroll menu allows you to give specified spacing between the selected text. Position allows you to give the following effects to the selected text: sub, super, top, text top, middle, bottom and text bottom. Preview. Character spacing tab also has a preview screen to see the selected changes. Formatting paragraph. The paragraph properties dialog box is available when you highlight a paragraph and right-click on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Select the paragraph option to open the paragraph dialog box. You can also open the paragraph dialog box by clicking on the Format menu and selecting Paragraph option. You can set the paragraph alignment, indentation, spacing, etc. options. You can also set the word and line spacing in the paragraph dialog box. Formatting text. Many enhancements to your text can be made by clicking on selections from the Format toolbar. You can also achieve the same effects by clicking on the Format menu and selecting the Font option. Inserting elements in a web page. Elements are the components which create the structure of a web page. Tables, images, comments, hyperlinks, etc. are just a few of the many elements you can have on your page. To insert any of the web page elements, use the following steps. Step 1. Position your cursor where you want to insert the element. You can also click the corresponding icon on one of the toolbars. For example, to insert an image in your web page, you would click this button. However, for the element which does not have a button on the toolbars, you can use the Insert menu. Step 2. From the Insert menu, you can choose the element to include it in your page. Scroll down the menu items and select the appropriate element. Inserting headings. Inside the body element, heading elements H1 through H6 are generally used for major divisions of the document. Headings are not mandatory. Headings are permitted to appear in any order, but you will obtain the best results when your documents are displayed in a browser if you follow these guidelines. Heading 1 or H1 should be used as the highest level of heading, Heading 2 as the next highest, and so forth. You should not skip heading level. The size of the text affected by the use of a heading element varies from very large in an H1 tag to very small in an H6 tag. In front page, headings can be inserted with Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Style drop-down menu located on the Formatting toolbar. Step 3. Choose the desired heading. Inserting paragraphs. Paragraphs allow you to add text to a document in such a way that it will automatically adjust the end of line to suit the window size of the browser in which it is being displayed. Each line of text will stretch the entire length of the window. Each time you press Enter on your keyboard, a new paragraph will start. Any text you type will be surrounded by the P tags when viewed in the HTML view. Inserting line break. Line breaks allow you to decide where the text will break on a line or continue to the end of the browser window. You can insert a forced line break from the Insert menu by choosing Break option or by pressing Shift plus Enter keys from the keyboard. The Shift plus Enter key combination will give a line break in the web page. The line break or BR is an empty element. Empty elements may have properties but do not contain contents. Inserting special characters. Special characters not found on the keyboard can also be inserted by using the Insert menu and selecting the Symbol option. A window containing the available characters will appear. Just double-click on a character to insert it. To dismiss the special character palette, click on the Close button. Modifying an element's properties. If you decide to modify an element's properties, there are a few ways to achieve this. Select the element you want to modify, for example, a horizontal line, and right-click on it once. A pop-up menu will appear with a number of options. In this case, select Horizontal Line Properties option. The horizontal line properties will appear. You can change line properties, for example width, height, color, alignment, etc. Another way of modifying an element's properties is to position your cursor on the element and click once. Simultaneously, hit the Alt and Enter keys. The Edit Properties dialog box will appear. Removing elements. Select the object you wish to remove and hit the Delete key. Select the object or file you want to remove. From the Edit menu, scroll down and select either Cut or Clear. Aligning web page elements. You can change the alignment of an element in front page by clicking on the element you want to align and pressing one of the three alignment buttons on the Format toolbar. Alignment usually means left, right, and center. But it may also refer to top, bottom, middle, etc., depending on the element you have selected. If the element you want to align is an image, you can change its alignment by right-clicking on the image once and selecting Pictures Properties. Locate the alignment options and choose from the drop-down menu. Only certain elements will have the alignment options of top, bottom, middle, etc.
End of chapter. Click here to go to